Welcome back. Buying a home in the Denver area continues to get more expensive. Home prices have been on the rise since the beginning of the year, and now mortgage rates have raced up at a pace that we've not seen in decades. Even so, realtors in our area say the market is not slowing down much. To talk about that, we bring in our expert, Lane Lyon. He's a managing broker with Coldwell Banker. Good morning, Lane.
Hello, Natasha. Nice to see you today.
Nice to see you too. So let's start with the higher rates. What impact are they having on the housing market?
Well, I got to tell you, it's really kind of a 1-2 punch for home buyers out there. First dealing with higher prices, now with higher rates. But you are right. We are still seeing a very busy housing market here in the Denver area. Let's take a closer look. I've got a graphic to show you. Realtor.com says today's buyers are paying 30% more on their monthly mortgage payments right now on homes that are closing right now compared to just a year ago. That's when you factor in appreciation and mortgage rates. 30-year loans, they've gone up about 1.5 points since the beginning of the year to just over 5% in many cases. It comes as the Federal Reserve tries to tame inflation, now at 40-year highs, thanks to rising prices like food and gas. I'm sure you've noticed that. Even so, realtors say, yes, it is still very busy out there. They are still seeing competition out there for home buyers. And in fact, they are seeing a lot of buyers who are coming into the market now who are saying, you know what? I heard the warning signs. I've got to jump into this market now and lock in something before rates and prices continue to go up, which they're expected to do as we move forward this year, Natasha.
Yeah, so let's talk about that for people who want to jump in before the rates continue to rise. What's their best strategy?
The first thing you need to do is circle back up with your lender and really make sure that you're still qualified for the home that you were looking at last year. Lenders that I've talked to say, yes, they've heard some pausing on the phone, some jaws dropping when they realize that their mortgage payments are going to be going up several $100s compared to when they first priced it out last year. But hey, many buyers are just making it work. And while there are some buyers who are bowing out and saying, look, I'm priced out at this point, other buyers are finding an opportunity, less competition for some houses. Maybe houses that were getting 10 offers last month are getting 2 or 3. That's okay. If you're a seller, you just need one good one to make things work.
Talking about the sellers, is spring still a good time to go on the market?
Absolutely. I say no one has missed the boat yet on this. We typically see from a seasonal perspective, more inventory go on the market. So if you're thinking about selling, yes, we are still in a short supply situation. It is still a seller's market. There's still a steady influx of people moving here to Colorado. And if you price your home correctly, you should see more than one offer on your home, and that competition is what brings in those nice, strong offers. And that's really the important thing to remember. And Natasha, before I go, I just want to give you some historical perspective. The last time we saw mortgage rates jump up this high was in the mid-90s. 1993, we saw 7% mortgage rates. They went up to 9% the next year. So I don't know about you, 9% sounds a lot more than 5%. So it's all the way you think about it. It's all relative, right?
It's perspective. Yeah. And then you sell your house and you got to think, okay, where do I go next? So it's
there's some options out there. Don't give up.
Okay. All right. Lane Lyon, always nice to see you. Thank you.
Thanks, Natasha.